Gold has seen a massive drop yesterday after achieving record highs. In my yesterday's update, I have very clearly mentioned that it is fragile for a drop and below 2084 levels we can stay short. And what has happened? It has achieved 2020 levels, the 20 period moving average. Now, what to expect from gold today, how to profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. If you are new to the channel, do subscribe to the channel to get the latest updates. The next update will be released before the US session. Do not miss that. Let's start. Now, see, the drop here was sharp, rise was equally sharp, and now it is retracing. You can check the slope here. This is vertical, this is slight gradual. This suggests that this is retracement, not a reversal. Only reversal confirmation now lies above 2070 levels. As long as 2070 is not taken, gold is not to be treated as bullish for them. In fact, if you notice, see, this was the consolidation zone here between 2030 2050. It has breached this, it has come to the next support levels here at 2020. Now with the support at 2020, we have consistently observed higher lows and higher highs. Trading in this channel, where is the top of this? 2044, 2045. And on the upside, if it continues to rise, 2050 should be the next resistance. Very strong resistance. Above 2040 levels, we can initiate a buying position, but this is strictly to be traded with caution. As long as 2050 is not breached, very strong probability of a reversal exists here. Moving averages, after long time on the hourly charts, have crossed over for a bearish move. Stochastic has dropped, MACD has hit a bottom, and that is why it is looking forward to a little retracement. It can possibly retrace here before looking downside. RSI is also on a retracement mood, coming to 2. Likewise on the 2-hour chart, see sharper drop here, and then and even if you observe here, see higher lows suggest that it is getting very good support on the downside below 2030. Yes, that is the point below which we can initiate a selling position, but 2026 and 2032, 2022, 2020, this is the zone where we have first support levels, very strong. And rather I will say 2018 to 2022 is the greater support zone. Below that we can look forward to 2010 as the next milestone here. Yes, if it stays below 2018-2022 zone, we can look forward to 2010, and below 2010 is where the bears will attack. The stochastic is rising here. The MACD has seen good divergence here, trying to converge, trying to reverse a bit. RSI is staying flat almost. On the 3-hour charts, signs of a little rise, taking the support here. It is trying to give similar size of bullish candle, which means it can try to move towards 2040 2045 zone. Possibility exists that it can rise towards those levels. At the same time, dropping below 2030 is where the bears will be seen. So very clear, we are not going to take any position in between 2030 and 2040. Stochastic is oversold, trying to recover. MACD is still trading with divergence bearishness, but the candle size has diminished, suggests that it can possibly give couple or more greener candles here. RSI is staying flat, coming to 4. Likewise on the 4-hour charts, double bottom, higher lows, higher highs. There is a possibility for a further retracement on the upside towards 2044-2050 zone, which is definitely a greater resistance on the upside. Stochastic at oversold levels, trying to recover. MACD trading with divergence and bearishness, and RSI is staying flat here. Now, if you observe the MACD, see extreme divergence is observed, which means it can converge a bit, and that is why we are looking forward to a fewer more greener candles from here, where the divergence reduces, and then again we can see bearishness here. RSI is almost flat. Coming to the, before we look into the daily charts and I give you the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can join my mentorship batch. 28th batch is announced. Register yourself now itself. Equip yourself with the tools, techniques, and strategies which can help you identify profitable trades and trade profitably. Also, you can join my signals channel on Telegram, where trading as per the signals you can definitely benefit. And yes, join our weekly webinar series, which helps you understand the behavior of markets. Do not miss this opportunity. Do visit the platform www.forexfunda.com for more details on my services. And yes, it has much more: economic calendar, the charts, the schedule a call with the experts, along with the communities tab. Everything is available on that platform. Do visit it. Also, join my free Telegram channel to get more live updates. And yes, reach out for any of your queries. Now look at this. It was trading in this bullish channel. It has come out of this channel. It has traded outside this channel as well, but again it has breached on the downside. Now remember, first bearish candle here, a strong bearish candle. Also, there is a possibility of a further retracement. It can try to rise from here. Once you see it staying above 2040, we can expect it to rise. Resistances earlier are still going to play a major role. 2040 and then 2048 levels, 2048 2050 is going to be a major resistance, staying above which certainly the bulls will try to recover most of the losses from the yesterday's move. And yes, on the downside now, see, I will recommend you to sell here at 2030 when you expect it, or when you see the price is staying below 2030. Remember, by that time there will be a stronger wick on the upside, and then once the move starts on the downside, there is a probability that 2020 levels should give a major support. So below 2030, we can look forward to 2026 and 2030 as the first and second support levels. And once it drops below 2020, certainly we are going to look forward to further major drop towards 2010 and below levels. So be careful here. Yes, this was the first bearish candle. It has left a tail and it can continue to slide. Right now, it is retracing. The day has just started. We can possibly expect it to retrace a further highs towards 2044, 45, or in fact 48 levels. But beyond 2050, we have to be on more on buying side, but with caution, because see, unless and until 2070, 71 levels are not taken, it is not a complete reversal still. So take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and join my mentorship by signals channel, or join my webinar series. Reach out to me for any of your queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Visit the platform forexunda.com on and join my free Telegram channel. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the US session.